How to add Lensa to your home screen. Want to get the Lensa AI magic with just one tap? Let's add the app directly to your home screen. It's super simple, whether you are using an iPhone or an Android. Here I'm using Android, so I'll be showing you the process that you have to do in order to add the Lensa into your home screen. So here I'll be showing how you can add Lensa to the home screen on Android. First thing first, let's open the app drawer and simply search Lensa right over here. You can see my Lensa right here. Let's tap on it and just drag it and you'll be directed to your home screen. Just choose the screen where you want it to be added. For example, over here, and it's done. Now let's tap on it and you can open it with just one tap. And that's it. Instant access to create your next masterpiece. Let me know what are you creating with the Lensa first. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.